What's up, y'all? So today we are going to deep condition this hair because it just feels super dry for whatever reason. I don't even know why, because I literally just detangled it yesterday, but I didn't put a lot of product in it, so maybe that's why. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition. I'm gonna deep condition with my steamer because I haven't deep conditioned with my steamer in a while. And if you see my previous videos, you know that I like swear by my steamer. I love my steamer, especially to, you know, put some moisture in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair first, wash my hair, and then we'll get into deep conditioning. So I already applied some of this deep conditioner in the shower, most of the deep conditioner in the shower, but I'm just gonna add in a little bit more, specifically in my crown area, so that my crown can be as moisturized as possible, because that is literally the driest area on my scalp. And then I just like to use a clip before I go under the steamer. Normally I use 2 clips to part my hair in half, but because I already started the steamer, I don't want it to like go without me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this really quick. This is what my steamer looks like. It's like a full-on shebang. I got it years ago, and I still think that it is one of the best ways to moisturize my hair and my curls. And then I literally just sit under here for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna plop myself in and get comfortable. I normally just get like my iPad or my phone and just look at some stuff while I'm sitting under here. And then this specific area, I close it up in the beginning when I want my hair to be like fully penetrated in the steam, but then it gets really hot and it starts to drip. So then just about closer to midway, I'll open it up so that it doesn't have driplets inside and then burn me. Getting really hot, so every now and again I'll just like lift it and then lower it and lift it and lower it. So I'm gonna put it back down. And as you can see, the steam is running crazy, but this is good because this steam is gonna open up my hair cuticles. It's gonna penetrate the deep conditioner that I put on my hair, and then we're gonna seal it in by rinsing it with cold water in the shower. But I still have like 20 minutes to go. Okay, we are officially done. It's been about like 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go back in the shower now to rinse all of this out. And my favorite part about deep conditioning, despite this part in the back, because I kind of just slapped it on as you saw, but you can tell when your hair is kind of like eating up the product. When you go in and your hair is all white, and then you come out from under the steamer, from the shower, however you penetrate your product, and you can't even see the product anymore. Like right now, you can't see the deep conditioner in my hair. Like you can see the one right here that I slapped on. I mean, you can barely see this one, but like you don't see any signs of conditioner, which is great because that means that the hair ate it all up and it's in the hair cuticle. So I'm gonna rinse it out now, and then I'm gonna start with styling. Look, y'all, look how like pink my scalp is. My scalp is like, girl, you really cleansed us out, because I did an ACV rinse before. I cleansed my scalp just to make sure that, you know, it wasn't too much product buildup. And then I put the deep conditioner in. So my scalp looks like, woo, it's been through some things, but that's good. It's clean. Okay, it is the next day. I put on some makeup because I was recording some stuff for Instagram and for TikTok, but I'm gonna take my hair out now just so you can see the result and how moisturized it is. I'm gonna use Carol's Daughter's Born to Repair Reviving Oil to bring my hair back to life because it's been in a pineapple for like hours at this point. And I always like to do that. I always like to use the oil to rake my hair out and to bring it back to life because I feel like it adds good moisture, and also it allows me to rake my hair out without having too much frizz. Now, the way that I styled my hair, I didn't do it how I normally do it. Normally I would clump my curls, but I didn't do that a lot this time, so it might not look as defined. But that's okay, so long as it is moisturized, which I can already feel that it is way softer. And the way that you'll know that it's moisturized is just by the bounce of it. Wow. Let me go to the bathroom to see myself in the mirror, and I'll be right back. And these are my results. My hair looks so good. And it feels so soft. As you can see, there's like a lot of bounce to it. And it's just, you know, it moves. Let me see if I, okay, that's better. But yes, this is how my hair looks. It looks so good, and it looks so much better than when I first started this video. My hair was in need of a deep conditioning treatment. So let this be a reminder for you to deep condition your hair. It is so important. If you don't have a steamer, at least use a plastic bag or put something over your hair and allow the conditioner to sit while you're in the shower so the product can really penetrate, because I can already see the difference in my curls. I know that you can too. And I just love when my curls are flowy and bouncy and just like have a lot of movement and aren't stiff, you know? Here, look, I'll even show you. My curls bouncing back. Oh, and I don't think I showed you. So for styling my hair, I use Ouidad's Botanical Repair Bond. There's something out my window. These bags are just like flying, and it looks like things out my window. I use Ouidad's Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream, and I intentionally use this because it is light. It is super light, so I know it wasn't gonna weigh my hair down. And it's healthy, it has bond building properties, but also I didn't want to use a gel because I really just wanted my hair to sit in conditioner. I didn't want to have to break a gel cast or anything like that. And this did the job really well because I didn't clump my curls. Like I told you, I literally just put the product in and then comb my hair through. Normally I use the raking method so that there's a little bit more definition, but I really just wanted my curls to, you know, chill out and do their thing so I can also see the health of them and like where they are on their own. So this was really great. I love this. I'll be using it again. I love all of Ouidad's stuff, honestly. If you go through my channel, you'll see that like I use their stuff pretty often, and they have great quality styling products and treatment products for curls. So check them out if you haven't already. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.